Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to explain you about Sumif and some IFS. So below we have some sample data which is invoice number, branch, amount, due date, today's date and differences. In differences we have some negative values which indicates, here we can see the due date is 30th/4/2022, which is 30th April 2022, and today's date is 24th June 2022. So it already crossed 55 days from due date. So that's why it came under the negative value. So negative value is nothing but due date crossed. Okay, on right hand side we have some description which is total overdue amount, total overdue days, total amount for Mumbai, total for all except Hyderabad, total overdue amount for Delhi. So this question we are performing today in this video by using Sumif and some IFS. Okay, and their answers. Okay, let's get into the first question. Total overdue amount. So before that I wanna tell you the difference between the Sumif and some IFS. So the major difference between Sumif and some IFS is nothing but when we are using the single condition we use Sumif function. When there is a multiple conditions more than 2, then we use some IFS function. Okay, this is a major difference between the Sumif and some IFS. Okay, got it? Okay, let's get into the first question. The first question is saying total overdue amount. So what is the overdue for total amount? Okay, so basically overdue is nothing but negative value, right? So negative value and their amount. Okay, so this is comes under single condition. If it is single condition we have to use Sumif. Okay, equal to Sumif. Sorry, I'm just entering once again SUMIF and tab button. Here you can see the range. So what is the range? So range is automatically differences because we have negative values in differences, right, to find the overdue amount. Okay, and what is the criteria? So criteria, here you can see in differences we have negative value along with the positive values. So how can we pick up only negative value? Yes, we have option for that. For that we have to use this operation, which is to open double quote, use symbol less than and 0 and close with double quote. When you are using this, it picks only the negative values, which is 0 less than comes under negative, right? So negative value, comma, some range. So what is the amount? Amount should becomes here. Okay, close bracket, enter. So 12,800 is the total overdue amount. Okay, here you can just see here this symbol which indicates greater than and this symbol which indicates less than. Okay, just for reference I'm telling. Let's get into second question. Total overdue days. What is the total overdue days? This question which is similar to the first question. Okay, here it asking overdue amount, here is asking days, only days it asking. Okay, so same single condition. For single condition we have to use Sumif. Okay, so same we have to select the differences as a range, comma, what is criteria? Same, the criteria should be double quote, less than 0, close with double quote and some range. So here they are not asking the amount, right? It asking only days. So we are not, so no need to use the sum range. So close bracket, enter. So 430 days are the overdue days. Okay, the exact answer we got. So coming to the third question, total amount for Mumbai. So basically the question is saying need to find total amount for Mumbai. Okay, so this is also comes under single condition. Sumif, use Sumif function using what is the range? The range should be the branch, because in the branch we have multiple cities. In the cities we need to find for Mumbai branch. Here you can see you can select directly Mumbai by clicking here after comma, or else by using double quote type Mumbai. Okay, we have to use same format here. Okay, Mumbai, close with double quote, comma, and next sum range. The sum range always should be the amount. Okay, take amount, close bracket, enter. So 6,100 is the total amount for the Mumbai. Okay, the fourth question is total for all except Hyderabad. Okay, in this question it's basically it's saying it's some tricky question, but simple to understand. We need to find total amount for all branches except Hyderabad. Okay, except Hyderabad we need to find rest of the branches. Okay, for that we need to use same, it comes under the single condition equal to Sumif. Okay, what is the range? Automatically the range comes in branch. Okay, comma, what is the criteria? The criteria is in this branch we are unable to exclude Hyderabad, right? For that we are using double quote less than greater than, which indicates not equal to Hyderabad. Okay, here I'm typing manually because in here I used to select the Mumbai automatically, right? For here we are unable to do that because when we are using the special characters, special symbols, we are unable to select the data. Okay, if you try to do that, it will give error. Okay, and close with double quote, comma, and sum range. So amount is a sum range, close bracket, enter. So 23,600 is a total for all except Hyderabad. Okay, and coming to the last question, which is total overdue amount for Delhi. Carefully watch here. Here it asking total amount overdue for Delhi. So overdue total amount for Delhi. Okay, so in this question we have more than two conditions, more than one condition, right? So if you have more than one conditions, what we have to use? Sum IFS. Okay, equal to sum IFS. Okay, just tab. So we have two criterias and two ranges. Okay, so in this function anyone you can pick first. Okay, any one condition you can pick first. Okay, I'm just picking the Mumbai sum range. The sum range, what is the total amount? Sum range. And what is the criteria range? Delhi, right? For Delhi we need to find the criteria, right? What is the criteria on branch we have? Comma. So what is exact criteria is Delhi, comma, Delhi. That's it. The first condition is finish, comma. We need to find the overdue amount. So for overdue, as we said the first question, the same thing we have to use. Go with the differences, select all, comma, double quote, less than 0, and close with double quote and close bracket, enter. See, total overdue amount for Delhi is 400. So 400 we got. So that's it, guys. So when you are getting some struck while listening this section, just pause the video one by one question after one question, then you will get the clear idea. Still you have any doubts regarding Sumif or Sum IFS, just comment in the comment section and I will come back to you with the answers. Okay, if you like this video, just like, share and subscribe. Kindly share to your friends. Thank you.